In this video, I'll show you how to integrate the Participation Architecture API into a notification workflow. We'll walk through a governance alert bot that checks for urgent proposals and governance overload. The complete script is already in the repo, so you can run it right away. Let's see it in action first. The alert bot does two things. First, it checks the delegate fatigue index. That's the global governance load. If it reaches critical, we get an alert. Then it scans for urgent proposals with priority 90 or higher. Now, let's look at the code. The fatigue check is simple. We call the fatigue endpoint and check if the status is critical. If so, we format an alert with the score and key metrics. For urgent proposals, we filter by minimum priority of 90 and handling type urgent deep review. These are the proposals that need immediate attention from delegates. The main function collects all alerts. Fatigue alerts first for global context, then individual proposal alerts. Right now it prints them, but you'd replace the print with your delivery method. Telegram, Discord webhook, email, whatever you use. There's also a more comprehensive integration example in the Docs Examples folder. It shows all API features: health check, filtered feeds, proposal details, and fatigue breakdown with component visualization. Let's do a quick fatigue check via the API directly. You can see the score, status, and all the component metrics. To run this automatically, you can set up a cron job to check every hour, or use GitHub Actions for a serverless approach. The key pattern to remember: check fatigue first for global context, then look at specific proposals. The API is stateless and deterministic. Same governance state always produces the same scores. Both scripts are in the repo ready to use. In the next video, we'll customize the rulebook to add your own triage rules.